That was an interesting story about like this guy, Kauai of Kauai. He was like a cowboy living in the 1890s who got leprosy, and him and his family, like the government tried to ship him away to like a different, I forgot where they tried to send him, but he refused to go without his family, so they moved into that valley, Kauai Valley, and like they went looking for him, and he shot the sheriff, and then like he got into a gunfight with soldiers that came looking for him, and he hid out there until he died. And then his wife like moved back or whatever, but it's pretty crazy. They hiked down from the Waimea Valley somewhere. Like it says that he took him, his wife, and his son and took a treacherous trail into the Kauai Valley, and they lived there till he died.
Well, damn. Look at the biggest difference of how we pack. This is my packing.
That's not your packing, that's definitely my packing. And that's why you look like a scruff everywhere you go.
We woke up that last day.
Got all packed up.
And then we went to the falls.
Yep, Waimea Falls.
Okay. So that place was awesome. That waterfall was crazy. I love that waterfall. This is actually a pretty cool way to end this trip, seeing like a powerful waterfall. Waterfalls always like impress me because there's like no off button, it just keeps going. There's a way to get down there one day, not today, but when I come back, those will make for some excellent shots. How you doing? Good. Good.
We're headed home, 30-minute flight.
I'm not used to being in the airport without my skateboard. We have an hour and 25 minutes till boarding time. What should I do?
I need to go! You doing anything?
We need a vacation for our vacation.
Vacation from our vacation.
We need a vacation from our vacation. This camera ended up turning off on us. Damn it! It's the one that had the audio. Anyway, I want to do that high five again. That we need that. I want to do the high five for that one.
Okay.
So you want to try again?
Yeah.
All right. Till our next adventure.
Can't wait. Okay, let's try that again.
Okay.
Oh,
to our next adventure.
Can't wait. Are you gonna be like, take one, take two? You've probably read all mine, right? Well, I mean, it's not all about you, but but you know I love you. know how I started by, hey, it's Jess again. I was just telling Jose how much I'm going to miss waking up to the sound of roosters. Weird, right? I just find it somewhat peaceful to wake up to the sound of nature rather than trash trucks and honking horns. This has just been such an amazing trip, and I'm not at all ready for it to be over. We have 2 more full days on this beautiful island, and that's not nearly long enough. Needless to say, I will definitely be coming back to Kauai eventually. And I'm so thankful to my amazing husband who made this whole trip possible. There's nobody else in this whole entire world that I would rather explore with than him. I can't wait till our next adventure. And that was it.